Hi guys, back with another video. So I'm going to show you how I update my brow routine doing just the natural brows. Okay, right now I can't wear makeup because my face broke out, so I'm just going to do a light brow touch, really natural. Okay, I'm going to start off by using my UV tint by Neutrogena. Okay, you guys, I love this because it has SPF 30 in there, so I use this as my sunscreen and I don't have to apply foundation. So I'm going to apply this all over my face and then we're going to get right into the brows. Okay, nice and smooth, and look at that texture, is amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush the brow up, okay, lightly brushing everything in place. And I do get my eyebrows threaded, so they're already pretty much, you know, naturally like this. So I'm going to take my brow pencil. You guys can get this brow pencil on MESMERIZED.com. This is in the color, I want to say chocolate, but I'm just going to lightly trace under my brows, creating that natural arch that I already have. And then I'm going to fill it in very, very lightly. Again, this brow pencil is not like a smooth consistency, it's thick, so it's going to glide on very smooth, and you can be able to create your brows however you want it. Now I'm not going to go all the way to the edge of my brows. I'm just lightly, you know, kind of creating the natural arch that I already have and just filling it lightly in, because I'm going for a natural brow. So that's what we're doing here. Now this brow pencil is amazing for that, because not only does it has the pencil at the edge, but it has the brush spoolie as well, so you can brush it out. Now inside the inner corner, I'm going to lightly draw and create and fill in the brow. As you know, the natural eyebrows kind of spike up at the front and then they kind of lay down towards the back. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do here, and I'll just let you guys keep watching. Okay guys, now that we have the brows all matched, I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer here. This can also be found on the website mesmerizedbeauty.com. I'm going to take my my angle brush, and I'm going to apply this concealer, and this is the shade closest to my skin tone. I'm not using anything lighter because again, we're going for that natural brow. I'm going to go ahead and carve out any imperfections. Again, not going all the way to the edge because I don't want to kind of, you know, box that in. I want to create a natural kind of brow. I'm going to also take my matte finishing powder, and I'm going to apply this all over where I placed the concealer on both of my eyebrows, just cleaning up anything. And we want to mattify those brows, girl, because I'm in Texas and it's hot outside. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do this, you guys, and here is the final results, you guys. Again, these products can be found on mesmerizedbeauty.com. If you did enjoy this video, you already know what to do. Thumbs this video up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, you guys. Share this with a friend and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.